Imagine waking up one day and realizing you could have $100,000 saved faster than you ever thought possible, without giving up all the things you enjoy. Think about it. Most people spend tens of thousands of rupees every month on small habits, subscriptions, and impulse buys they barely notice. Now, what if you could redirect just a few of those choices into a plan that actually grows your savings? Today's video is all about that. 10 practical, easy-to-follow hacks anyone can use to save money quickly and effectively. No complicated apps, no extreme sacrifices, just smart, actionable steps that fit into your life. We'll break everything down so it's simple and realistic. You'll see how small changes, tracking your expenses, automating savings, avoiding unnecessary subscriptions, planning meals, or even negotiating bills can add up to huge results over time. This isn't about forcing yourself to live miserably or depriving yourself of basic comforts. It's about creating financial freedom, building discipline, and letting your salary work for you instead of disappearing into daily expenses. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to save 1 lakh rupees faster than you imagined, with hacks that anyone, regardless of income, can start implementing today. Stay with me because these tips could completely change how you handle money, and by the end, you'll know exactly where every rupee of your salary can go to maximize your savings.
The first step to saving big is knowing exactly where your money goes. Most people spend blindly. Small daily expenses, subscriptions, coffee, snacks, and online shopping slowly drain their salary without them realizing it. Start by tracking every rupee for a month. Write down income, bills, groceries, entertainment, and extra purchases. This simple habit creates awareness and lets you identify areas to cut without feeling deprived. Awareness is the foundation of saving. Once you see how much is leaking, you can make smarter choices. Tracking is not boring. It's the first hack to saving 1 lakh rupees faster.
Automating your savings is the easiest way to stay consistent. Instead of waiting to save what's left at the end of the month, set up a fixed amount to transfer automatically into a separate savings account the day you receive your salary. Even a small amount compounds over time. This reduces temptation and ensures discipline without effort. Automating turns saving into a habit instead of a struggle. Combine this with clear goals, whether it's $100,000 in a year or building an emergency fund, and you'll notice your savings growing without thinking about it constantly. Cutting unnecessary subscriptions and impulse purchases is a game changer. Many spend hundreds or thousands monthly on apps, memberships, or online shopping they barely use. Cancel unused subscriptions and avoid buying items on impulse. Use the 24-hour rule. Wait a day before purchasing non-essential items. You'll realize how much small stuff adds up. Meal planning and smart grocery shopping also reduce waste and save money. Every small decision compounds. By being mindful of daily spending and avoiding easy traps, you'll free up significant funds to put toward your $100,000 target. Use small, creative methods to increase savings faster. Sell unused items around your home for extra cash. Use cashback offers wisely and negotiate bills like internet, electricity, or phone subscriptions. Try a small daily savings challenge. Even 50 to 500 rupees per day can accumulate to tens of thousands over a year. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't increase spending immediately when your income rises. Saving is about discipline, not deprivation. Every little bit saved consistently adds up to a substantial sum. These hacks may seem small individually, but together they create a powerful system that helps you reach your financial goals faster. The final key is mindset. Saving money is not punishment, it's freedom. Treat every rupee as a tool that works for you, not against you. Set clear goals, track progress, and celebrate milestones along the way. Remember, it's better to save steadily than wait for a perfect moment. Consistency, awareness, and smart choices are more important than huge sacrifices. By applying these 10 hacks consistently, anyone can save 100,000 rupees faster than expected. Start today.
Take control of your money and watch how small, smart decisions transform your financial future completely.
Saving 1 lakh rupees fast isn't about depriving yourself or making huge sacrifices. It's about awareness, consistency, and smart choices. By tracking your money, automating savings, cutting unnecessary expenses, and applying small hacks every day, you can reach your goal faster than you think. The real power of saving comes from discipline and control, not luck. Start today, even with small steps, and watch your savings grow steadily. Remember, every rupee you save is a step toward financial freedom, peace of mind, and a secure future. Your journey to 1 lakh rupees starts now. Take control and stay consistent. If you found these tips helpful and want to take control of your money, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Here, we share practical, easy-to-follow hacks to save money, grow your salary, and achieve financial freedom. No fluff, no complicated tricks. Don't miss out on future videos that can help you save smarter, spend wiser, and reach your goals faster. Subscribe now and join our community of people who are taking charge of their finances today.